Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus by Ranveer Brar. To begin, always use dried chickpeas for the best flavor and texture. Make sure to soak them overnight in plenty of water, and a small pinch of baking soda can help. This crucial step significantly reduces the cooking time later and contributes to a wonderfully creamy final product. Once soaked, boil the chickpeas until they are extremely tender, which usually takes around 1 hour. For an exceptionally smooth hummus, take the time to remove the skins from the cooked chickpeas. While optional, this step truly makes a difference, ensuring an incredibly silky and luxurious consistency that elevates your homemade dip. Now, combine your tender chickpeas with tahini, fresh lemon juice, and raw garlic in a food processor. A key tip from Chef Brar is to add ice-cold water gradually while blending. This helps keep the mixture cool and creates a lighter, airier texture. Continue blending until the hummus is perfectly smooth, pausing to scrape down the sides as necessary. To finish, transfer your creamy hummus to a serving bowl. Drizzle generously with good quality olive oil, sprinkle with a dash of paprika, and garnish with fresh parsley. Serve this delicious homemade hummus with warm pita bread, crunchy vegetables, or your favorite accompaniments. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.